What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and Samsung just announced the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. I already have my S10 Plus on order. This is almost the perfect Android smartphone, but as you know, nothing is perfect. These are my top 5 best and worst things about the Galaxy S10. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start the video off with the best 5 features of the Galaxy S10. First up, I love the new and improved display. With the S10, we get the all-new dynamic AMOLED display. It's the first display to be HDR10 Plus certified. It's also the brightest display with a peak brightness of 1200 nits. In my opinion, this will be the display to beat for 2019. The second thing that I love about these devices is that Samsung has decided to improve on what I consider to be the best smartphone design on the market with the curved edge display. Now, not only do we have the curved edge display, but we have a near bezel-less display with a very small chin on the bottom and a cutout instead of the notch. Samsung skipped the notch altogether, and instead of the notch, we have an elegant display cutout for the cameras, which in my opinion gives us the best look at a bezel-less display. The third thing that I love is the reverse wireless charging. This is designed to allow you to have quick and easy charging capabilities for your accessories on the go. You'll be able to charge the Galaxy Buds with your phone. You'll also be able to charge your smartwatch with the back of your phone. And if you're feeling generous, you can offer to top up your friend's iPhone. The fourth thing that I love is the super versatile camera system on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. It's already been ranked #1 or tied for #1 on DxOMark, and for good reason. We no longer have to make the decision of whether we want a super wide angle lens or a telephoto lens. We get the best of both worlds. Not only do we get a 12 megapixel main lens with dual aperture, we're also getting a 16 megapixel super wide angle lens, which gives us a field of view of 123 degrees. That's as much as your eyes can actually see in real life. The third lens gives us 2 times optical zoom, which means we're not going to lose any picture quality and still be able to get closer to our subject. Samsung's always been known for their best-in-class cameras, and that's no different with the Galaxy S10. The fifth thing that I love about these devices is the intelligent performance. Not only will these devices come with a Snapdragon 855 processor and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, but they'll also use AI to optimize battery, CPU, and RAM for improved efficiency and improved performance. This is going to be the snappiest Galaxy S phone that's ever existed. While the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus are nearly perfect devices, I am starting to hear some gripes and complaints about what's considered to be the top 5 worst features of these phones. And I'm going to discuss those, but I'm also going to tell you why those things won't really matter. For starters, the Galaxy S10 no longer has the iris scanner. Now that was done for a few reasons. One of the reasons was to limit the space needed for the camera cutouts on the front of the phone. Samsung wanted to skip the notch and give us a more elegant design, and we had to lose the iris scanner for that to happen. The iris scanner has been replaced with a safer alternative in the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. This actually uses ultrasonic waves to get a 3D scan of your fingerprint, and it's going to work regardless of whether your screen's wet. If your hand has dirt or grease on it, it's still going to work. The next thing that I'm hearing gripes about is the fact that the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner doesn't really work with tempered glass screen protectors other than the white stone dome. And if you know me, then you know that the white stone dome is really the only screen protector I use, so personally that won't be an issue at all for me. I've also noticed in the public that the majority of people don't even actually use a screen protector, so that will be a non-issue for them. If you're willing to spend $1,000 on a cell phone, then you probably will lay down $50 for a white stone dome screen protector, and eventually there should be some more affordable options for screen protectors if that is your thing. The third problem that I'm hearing is the fact that Samsung is pretty slow when it comes to Android updates. And I'm not talking about updates in general. Samsung phones do get security updates on a regular basis. However, they don't go from one version of Android, say from Android Oreo to Android Pie, very quickly. And in fact, the Galaxy S9 is just now receiving its Pie update. Pie has been available for months and months and months. The reason why this is not a huge issue is the fact that Samsung software normally includes even more features than stock Android, and they normally have features before stock Android, making those speedy version updates less and less important. The fourth and most common problem that I'm hearing about the Galaxy S10 is the price. And this is a huge pain point for a lot of people. The base price of the S10 is up to $900 from $720 for the base S9 last year. And the base price of the S10 Plus is up to $1,000 from $840 on the S9 Plus base model from last year. This is a pretty huge difference. When you consider programs like Samsung's trade-in program that offers you up to $550 on a trade-in for the Galaxy S9, which I promise you, you won't be able to get that trying to sell that phone online. It does make the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus much more reasonable, and the fact that they do things like including a free pair of Galaxy Buds worth $180 make this seemingly expensive device a better value. Now, the thing that disappoints me the most about the Galaxy S10, which I believe is inexcusable, and I'm not going to try to make any excuses for it, is the fact that Samsung is sticking with the outdated Quick Charge 2.0 technology for their fast charging. We've seen other manufacturers include Quick Charge 3.0 and even Quick Charge 4.0 in their devices for much faster charge speeds than what we can see on the Galaxy S10. Samsung will finally upgrade their fast charging to 25 watt fast charging, but you're gonna have to wait on the Galaxy S10 5G, and you're going to also have to pay more for that premium device if you want that extra speed on your charging. While I don't think it's excusable, I do think that we are lucky in the fact that we do have larger batteries for the S10 and S10 Plus. We get a 4100 milliamp hour battery on the S10 Plus, which is going to be more than enough to last us for the entire day. And in the end, we don't really need the extra fast charging. What are your thoughts? Do you think there's anything that Samsung could have or should have improved on with the Galaxy S10? Is there anything that you don't like about the Galaxy S10? What are your favorite features of the Galaxy S10? What stands out most to you? Let me know in the comments below. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. Also, be sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as new videos are available. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.